In this video, I'll show you how to build an SOS button with Home Assistant. One press and rescue messages with your exact location are automatically sent to multiple emergency contacts. First, you need the SOS button in Home Assistant. The easiest way is to create a simple toggle switch. Go to Settings, Devices and Services, Create Helper, find the toggle option, call it SOS. You can add this button to your dashboard for quick access. That way, you can trigger SOS with one tap, even in an emergency. Next, you need a script to monitor the SOS button's state changes in real time. Here's what I did. I sent OpenClaw a detailed, structured prompt. Create a script that monitors the SOS button in Home Assistant via WebSocket, detect state changes from off to on, add auto reconnect and heartbeat for stable connection. OpenClaw generated the script in one go, no back and forth, no revisions. I started the script, then pressed the SOS button. The console immediately showed the state change detected. Now, the script knows when SOS is activated. With state monitoring in place, the next piece is sending rescue messages with your location. Here's my approach. I asked OpenClaw to generate a script with these requirements. Create a script that monitors the SOS button, retrieves phone location from Home Assistant device tracker, generates a Google Maps link, and sends rescue messages to emergency contact group. OpenClaw delivered the complete script right away, clean, ready to run. I tested it by pressing the SOS button. Within moments, 3 alerts went out to my emergency contact group with my exact location mapped. This means your emergency contacts can find you instantly. But what if one emergency contact misses the alert? That's why I set up multiple groups for multiple emergency contacts. More people to receive your SOS, more assurance. To make this happen, I gave OpenClaw a clear prompt. Create a script that sends SOS alerts to multiple groups in parallel. If some groups fail, continue sending to the rest. Report success and failure count after each alert. OpenClaw had the upgraded version ready immediately, parallel sending built in, error handling included. I ran it. The alert went out to all my emergency groups at the same time, each with my exact location mapped. With this, you're reaching all your trusted contacts simultaneously. At this point, you have 3 separate scripts working together: state monitoring, location alerts, and multi-group sending. But managing 3 scripts is not practical for a real emergency. To bring it all together, I gave OpenClaw one final task. Combine all 3 SOS scripts into a skill. The skill should monitor the SOS button, get phone location, send alerts to multiple emergency contact groups. OpenClaw packaged everything into one deployable skill in under a minute. That's it. Now you have a complete SOS emergency system ready to use with one tap. By the way, I've bundled everything into a guide. Link in the description. What would you build with this? Drop your ideas in the comments. If this helped, a like and subscribe keeps the channel growing. Thanks for watching.